Last Monday played out as many recent days have for AMC. Shares of the movie theater chain went haywire. They opened at $52.38, an almost 10% jump from their previous close, which itself was nearly 70% higher than a week earlier. Then, pop. By 10 a.m., $58. The stock next lost a little ground, amid a broad decline in equities, but vaulted back to almost $60 by lunchtime, a level 30 or so times greater than what it fetched in January. It was all much to the delight of Tremaine L. Collins. An active duty Army officer, Collins, 23, has moonlighted for the past few months as an increasingly popular YouTuber, chronicling the stock's rise and establishing himself as perhaps the preeminent force driving interest in AMC. There's three things contributing to the movement we've been seeing, he says, assuming his now well-rehearsed persona as a youthful market sage. First, you've got the fear of missing out, he says. Meaning, basically, people are acting like lemmings, following the crowd and buying shares. Second, you've got some gamma squeezing, a complicated concept related to options raising an equity's price. Along with all that, some shorts have started to cover their positions, and it's ultimately created this monster web of what's going on with AMC. What exactly has happened to AMC is complex, but it boils down to this. The company is experiencing a groundswell campaign to boost its shares, a wave led by a group of extremely amateur online investors, events similar to the ones that unfolded around GameStop last winter. In January, AMC, its business largely shuttered by the pandemic, sported a market valuation of under $1 billion. It's worth approximately $25 billion today, with the ever-volatile stock ending last week a little under $50. One of Trey Collins' first YouTube videos devoted to covering AMC back in January. Collins has emerged as something like a de facto chieftain within the insurgent AMC investor group. When Fox Business and CNBC recently went looking for someone to speak for the average Joe horde, they put him on the air. And when AMC chief executive Adam Aron wanted to address this crowd last week, he did so not by speaking with a traditional media outlet, like a Fox Business or a CNBC, but by granting an interview to Collins, a conversation Collins split into two YouTube videos. Since his Trey's Trades YouTube channel launched in December, it has accumulated 330,000 subscribers, a red-hot start for any newcomer on the site, where fame tends to take considerably longer to build than on Instagram and TikTok. Collins is indicative of the investing set behind the extreme price movement upending the shares of GameStop, AMC and other companies like Wendy's and BlackBerry, seemingly irrespective of their corporate fundamentals. To use these investors' slang, these are meme stocks or, put with crude humor, stunks. Collins has no formal finance education and is not some professional investor stationed behind a Bloomberg terminal.